Nope, wrong animal.
Meow.
Nope.
Bok, bok, baka.
Hey, Katie, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing really good. I see you wore your chicken costume today.
I did. Do you see my beak and my wings?
I do, yeah. That's really fun.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm not chicken pecking. What are you doing?
I was looking for seeds.
Nope, no seeds in my shirt. Well, do you want to work on the Eager Beaver Bird Award since you've got your chicken costume on?
Yes, I do.
All right. So the first thing that I think we should look at is, did you know that there are some birds in the Bible?
Yes, I know of a couple. There was a dove at the ark.
There was a dove at the ark. Yeah, there was another bird at the ark too. Do you remember what it was?
A raven.
You've got it. Yeah, both of those birds are found in Genesis 8. Should we look for them?
Yeah.
Okay, here's my Bible. Genesis 8. And Genesis is the very
first book of the Bible. It says Genesis, that's the beginning.
Yep.
In fact, it means the beginning. Oh, what a coincidence.
All right, so Genesis 8 verses 7, that one talks about the raven, and then Genesis 8 verses 8 talks about the dove. So they're right back to back.
Oh, good.
Okay, and it says, he is Noah.
Oh, okay.
He sent a raven out. It kept flying back and forth until the water had dried up from the earth. Then Noah sent a dove out. He wanted to see if the water had gone down from the surface of the ground.
Wow.
So you're right. Noah sent out both a raven and a dove. Now, can you think of any other birds mentioned in the Bible?
Yes.
All right, what else do you have? There is a chicken. Yeah, there is
a rooster.
A rooster found in the Bible too. You're right. In Matthew 26, verse 74, it says, "Then Peter began to call down curses on himself. He took an oath and said to them, 'I don't know the man.' Right away the rooster crowed." Then Peter remembered what Jesus had said. "The rooster will crow," Jesus had told him. "Before it does, you will say 3 times that you don't know me."
Oh, yeah.
That's another bird in the Bible.
Yes.
All right. Now, that's pretty good. So that's 3 places in the Bible that it talks about birds.
It also talks about sparrow.
So you're right. There are some sparrows mentioned in the Bible. And you know what? Those are in Matthew 2. Those are mentioned in Matthew 10, verse 29. And it says, "Aren't 2 sparrows sold for only a penny? But not one of them falls to the ground without your Father knowing it. He even counts every hair on your head. So don't be afraid. You are worth more than many sparrows."
That's a really neat verse. I like that verse.
Yeah.
It tells us how much God loves the birds, but then says he loves us even more.
Yeah. Have you ever seen a sparrow?
Yes.
Yeah, those are birds we even have here. And they're pretty common.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what other birds do you know that you've maybe seen around your house?
Ooh, I like the chickadees.
Chickadees?
They like our bird feeders, and they come and then they sing to us. They say chickadee-dee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee-dee.
Yeah, you're right. Chickadees. Those guys are kind of fun. They're kind of a bird we see a lot in the winter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know any birds that we see in the springtime we get really excited about?
Oh, we have a robin that nests under our deck, and they have little blue eggs every year, and I love the robins. It tells us spring is coming.
They do tell us spring is coming. How about cardinals? When do you think you see cardinals? Those are a really pretty bright red bird.
Generally in the wintertime.
Yeah, those are kind of a winter bird.
Yeah.
And how about, there's a blue bird and a blue jay. They're both blue in color, but they're kind of different.
Yeah, the blue jay kind of has a spiky head.
He does kind of have he's got
pointy.
a crown. Yeah.
He's crowned. Oh, I like that. That's a better way.
Yeah, he's got a little crown.
And we have some owls that live in the woods, and it says, hoo, 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 hoo. I think it's a barred owl.
Yeah.
It sounds like he's saying, who cooks for you? Who cooks for you? So I yell back, Mommy!
How about, do you know a bird that we see a little bit around here that's orange?
Oh, an oriole.
Yeah. So Orioles, one of the cool things about Orioles is they like oranges. They're orange and they like oranges.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can cut an orange in half and put it out, and that helps them kind of find your backyard.
Oh, one of my favorite birds that I really love to listen to is the loon.
Yeah, we haven't talked really about any water birds yet, but a loon is absolutely a beautiful bird. We have them around here, and they're water birds. They're kind of a black and white, and they have a really red eye.
Yes, and they have a really hard time walking out of water.
Yeah,
they
really
do. Can't much. So when they have to nest, they kind of drag themselves out of the water, and then as soon as the chick hatches, they're back in the water.
You've got it. Can you think of any other birds around here that might live in the water?
Ducks.
Ducks, mallard ducks, yeah.
Mallard ducks, yeah.
They live in the water?
We've been seeing a lot of Canadian geese. They're coming back from migrating down south.
Yep. You know, when we go camping in the summer, sometimes we see a great blue heron.
Oh, those are pretty.
They're really, they're big birds and they're beautiful.
Yeah.
Now, the other bird that I kind of think of as a big water bird that maybe you might see on the sea-coast, but not so much here in Vermont, would be, do you know a bird on the sea-coast?
A seagull.
A seagull, you got it, yeah. So there's all kinds of birds around here, and depending on where you live, those birds might be different.
Yeah. You have to be careful about eating on the beaches with seagulls around. There was one time I was on the beach and I was holding my sandwich and I was about to take a bite and the seagull swooped down and he took my sandwich. I was like, and there was nothing there.
Oh my goodness.
He flew off with it.
That's terrible.
They're sneaky.
But he was probably pretty happy.
He was very happy with my sandwich.
And you were very hungry.
I went a little hungry, but my mom shared with me.
So do you know what your state bird is? Do you know what the state bird of Vermont is?
I don't know the state bird of Vermont. I know the state bird of New Hampshire is the purple finch.
Right, yeah, you're right, it is the purple finch. The state bird in Vermont is the hermit thrush.
I don't know that I know that one. That sounds kind of like hermit crab.
They're a little different, yeah.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. How about Maine? Do you know what Maine's state bird is?
The chickadee!
The chickadee, yeah.
I like the chickadee.
Now, we have some friends visiting from Texas.
Oh, I do not know Texas's state bird.
I didn't know either, but I read that it's the mockingbird.
Oh.
And we have some friends from Virginia.
Ooh, what is their state bird?
Their state bird is the cardinal.
Oh, that's a pretty one. I like that one. Good
really cool?
choice, Virginia.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of southern states. Illinois, Indiana, West Virginia, Kentucky, Virginia, and North Carolina. They all picked the cardinal as their state bird.
Ooh, good job, all of you. It's very pretty.
So each state has a different state bird, and you can find your state bird by either looking it up or asking your parents, or you can just look at our slide here.
Hey, Miss Becky.
Hey, what?
It looks like Delaware's state bird is the chicken. I'm their state bird.
Delaware, but also Rhode Island for the Rhode Island red chicken.
Oh, wow. They
Yeah.
really like their chickens.
Yeah. All right. Well, I think we've covered that one. What are some things that birds eat?
If you're a seagull, my sandwich.
Your sandwich, okay. So we talked about Baltimore Orioles. What do they like to eat?
Oranges.
Oranges. How about chickadees? Do you know what they like to eat?
Ooh, Well, they really like the sunflower seeds out of our feeder. They kind of push the other seeds out of the way. They go in there, and then they take the sunflower seed.
You're right. And
So Mom's given up getting the other one. They just get the sunflower seeds for them.
sunflower, huh? How about blue jays? What do they like to eat?
Bird food?
Blue jays really like peanuts.
Oh! I know robins really like worms.
Robins?
Because they like to hop around on our lawn and peck all the worms out of our yard.
You've got it. And there are some birds that eat berries, and there are birds that eat suet. There's all sorts of kind of things. So any of those things would be things that birds like to eat. Just depends on what the bird is. So depending on what you put out in your bird feeder is going to depend on what kind of bird you get.
Ah! Chickens like to eat ticks. They're really good at going around eating ticks. Tick, 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 tick.
I'm not putting ticks out for my chickens, though.
No, but they'll eat the ticks that are in your yard, and then you'll have a tick-free yard.
There you go.
That's why it's good to have chickens around. You are welcome.
All right. So next, we have your kind of favorite part about
Is the
awards.
craft? Is it the craft?
It's the craft.
Is
yeah.
there glue?
There is glue.
Oh, it is my favorite. What are we doing? What are we doing?
So
tell
we're
me.
Yeah. We're going to draw a picture of a bird.
Ooh, I
And-
like drawing.
And then we're going to put glue down
Oh, I
and
love glue.
fill it up with bird seed. And maybe add a googly eye or a sunflower seed for an eye.
Woo! Oh, that's going to be fantastic.
Doesn't that sound
Hey, when I'm done, can I put it out for my birds?
Sure, if you want to, but you know what? We're actually also going to make a pine cone bird feeder.
Oh, yay! All right.
Yes.
Wait, how?
So you can do this a couple.
Am I using glue?
No.
Oh,
no.
good. I don't think birds like glue.
I don't think so either. So you can do this a couple of ways. You can roll it in peanut butter or paint peanut butter onto your pine cone.
Okay.
But some kids don't do so good with peanut butter.
Sure.
So if you happen to be one of those kids, you could use something like Crisco and maybe put a little honey in there to kind of sweeten it up for the birds.
Ooh, I bet they'd like that.
Yeah, and then you can push your seeds into either the peanut butter or the Crisco, and then you can hang it up for the birds to eat.
Oh, I bet they're really going to like that.
I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, now, here's the next thing we need to do. We need to learn some bird sounds.
Okay. I know one.
Okay.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
You're right. That's a rooster. You've got it. Okay, so are you ready? I'm going to give you some clues, and we'll see if you can come up with what bird it is, and you can listen to the sound. So people say that I'm the first sign of spring, and I like to eat worms.
Robin!
Robin, you're right. Yeah, great job. Okay, ready for the next one?
Yes, yes.
I like to eat corn. I sometimes eat things like roadkill.
A crow!
And I'm big and black. You're
A
right.
crow! I know that one.
You're right. It is a crow. Good job. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes. My mom likes to throw her compost over the bank and then wonders why all the crows live around our house.
So I love peanuts.
I learned this one.
I am very bold and outgoing.
What color am I?
And I am blue.
Blue jay!
You're right. It is a blue jay. Great job.
Yeah.
Okay. I like to live in the suburbs.
What's a suburb?
Just outside of the city.
Oh, okay.
I am gray.
Okay.
And people say I sound like I'm really sad or grieving.
Or morning. A morning dove.
A morning dive. Yeah, you're right. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. I am very good looking, but I am very, very shy.
Katie. No?
No.
Oh.
I love to eat sunflower seeds from the ground. And I am red.
Oh, a cardinal.
A cardinal, yeah. You've got it. I like to fly in a V formation.
I know this one. But I'm going to
others-
let you guys give a guess too.
With others of my kind.
What do you think it is?
I love to eat grass. And I am black and white.
A Canada goose.
You're right.
Woohoo!
A Canada goose. Nice job. You're really good at these bird things.
I like birds.
I guess so. All right. That's all the birds I have for today. Should we go get started on our craft?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's say goodbye.
Okay. Bye, friends.
Bye, guys.